Hello, good afternoon. I'm Katie Kemper with Slyfoxfabrics, and we are live today for our new stocking reveal, which is going to be probably pretty quick. We have, let's see here, five fabrics to show today. And let's see here. And so there's not a whole lot going on. I think probably because it's middle of summer, big vacation week.
You got everybody all screwed up last week?
I got everybody screwed up last week?
Because it was
on Friday. Yeah, that's right. See, I'm still screwed up. I was so screwed up last week. Which, of course, I forgot the reveal booty again for like 3 days. Oh, hi, Deanna, and hi, Chris. It's so cool now that I could see people's faces and their names. Not everybody, but a lot of people. Let's see here. Oh, so I did put what I'm wearing on the top right there of the screen. This is the Shore Walk dress by Stripes Follow Designs in the Disco Fever and Jade Rayon spandex. Now, I have a confession. The pattern explicitly says on it, rayon spandex is not a good choice for your neckband.
No, for your plunge neckline.
Oh, for your plunge, that's right. For the plunge neckline, which that's what this is. And it's true. It's not a good choice. But I did it anyways. Actually, Mary Beth made this for me. But we did size down. At least once. Yeah, I sized down a size. And that has helped. And I haven't had any problems with it. But, I mean, it is pretty loose.
But your chest hasn't quite fallen out of it yet.
Not yet. When I first put it on, I just have to, kind of stick it in place. But I love this pattern. It's really cute. And Jules Jung posted this dress in this fabric on the group page. And I was like, I got to have that. So now I do. So there. But it's perfect for summertime.
Good pattern placement with the fabric, too.
Well, I don't know if I would have, I'll stand up a little so maybe you guys can see more of it. I don't know if I would have been as conscious about that if I hadn't have seen her dress. And then I was like, wow, that's really cool the way she did that. So made sure the pattern went all the way down the middle like that. So it's really quite cute. I gotta move in different directions here. I don't know if it worked out so great on the back. I think I have a diamond on each cheek.
You do. Perfect.
But it has a slit. One of the things I love about this dress is it has a slit. Let's see if I can bring you closer to me. That goes up to, sorry guys, this is confusing.
Above your knee?
Right?
Above your knee?
Above the knee. And it's pretty flattering with my shape, which is kind of hard to find flattering stuff because my bottom is a large. So when I put on, my top is a small, the bottom is a large. When I put on sheath type dresses, it just really accentuates that large area. But with that slit above the knee, I don't know, it does something to balance it out. So it's cute. I like it. I have 2 of them now. So, okay, I'll get on with the fabric. Let's see here. So, if you have never watched before or you forgot, we give away the fabric that we show. Each is a 1-yard piece of the new stocking fabrics. And if you just comment on the video, I will pick a winner from the comments. You can comment as many times as you like. Each comment is an entry, and I'll announce it tomorrow after 4. So,
or not.
or not. I'm very unreliable. So yeah, I mean, if you comment, I'm going to see it, and it's going to be an entry. So if you don't mean to enter and you win, that's even better.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's totally
all right. Okay, so this is the Wayfarer. It's double brush poly. It's rose and ivory. It's very pretty. I've been eyeing this one for a while. I've been wanting to get it. And Mary Beth tells me no every time. It's her fault. And I finally got it this time. I wonder where my piece of paper is. Did it fly out anywhere? Oh, wait, no. It was
Did you take it to the other room, maybe?
Well, it was in between the fabric. That's really bizarre. My paper with my coordinates on it. Was it?
Okay, I'll run over there and see if it accidentally went to...
Might be on my desk. That's really bizarre. Mary Beth's going to grab it for me. But anyways, I remember which coordinate goes with this because it's just one. It's the ivory. So this is a really pretty rose color. And the ivory coordinates nicely. The rose in this does not coordinate with the 5 million rose colors that we have in stock for solids. Go figure. The stretch percentages are online for this, by the way, the horizontal and vertical. Was it sitting on my desk?
Right where you left it.
Oh, okay. So that's the Wayfarer. Very beautiful. I love it. It's very kind of boho-ish, bohemian-ish. Okay, the next one is we got a couple of camos in, and they're very fun. So this is the strawberry camo. It's double brush poly. And it's ivory. It's got a berry color and a kind of a bubblegum pink going on. It's really pretty. I think it's really cute. So here's the ivory. And the black matches, of course, ivory and black. And oddly enough, Cabernet is a really nice complementary coordinate. It is not an exact match, but it is complementary and it looks good with it. I was thinking that these camos would be really cute on a hoodie, like for the inside of a hood.
Oh, they'd be real cute. Yeah, with some
That's the accents. Yeah, and baby French terry.
Everybody wants to know why I don't like this.
Yeah, why doesn't Mary Beth like the Wayfarer?
I just realized why. Somebody said it's got a 70s vibe.
Oh, okay. A 70s
that was my
vibe.
heyday, baby.
Isn't that funny? I know.
Yeah.
I see it, but
yeah.
It does. I don't think of that right away. But it does. It's very cute.
That's probably why, I don't like it. I like stuff. Not to remind me that I'm
Mary
not young
Beth's
anymore.
very modern. She doesn't like anything from the 70s. She's all about the 2020s. She's modern.
I am modern.
And
but I
she's
like camo.
Also blonde again, by the way. Got my way there.
Now I look like an old man an old lady instead of an old man.
Here's the grape camo. The light color in this, by the way, is not ivory. It's they call it stone, I think.
It looks like almond almost.
Yeah,
Did you put almond?
It matches almond.
Yay.
Check it out. So almond and of course black. I'll show you the ivory just so you can see the difference.
Oh yeah, it makes it look dirty.
So oh yeah, orchid, not an exact match, but a really cute complementary match. Yeah. And lavender, which I have a piece of right here. I don't have a card for it, but the lavender is another complementary. So we don't have a purple that is an exact match. So your lavender and orchid are your complementary matches. And this is for the brush poly. I gotta tell you, I'm not sure about the French terry. I didn't look at that at all.
You're on your own, guys.
That's grape camo. If I can figure out what I'm doing here. Oh, we have a couple techno scubas. I told you it was going to be fast today. It's going to be fast today. So this is Promise. Techno Scuba is a double knit. It's not the same thing as scuba. It's lighter. But it is a double knit. And by double knit, it's, maybe you can see here, there is actually 2 layers put together. It's a poly, it's usually a 94 or 95% poly. the rest being spandex. And it has a lot of structure, so you want to use it for garments that, would look good with structure. So, for example, you wouldn't make a t-shirt out of this. It just wouldn't look right. But a peplum would be adorable. So you can kind of see how structured it is. Skirts are great, and sheath dresses are wonderful in Techno Scuba. What else? Pants.
A lot of people like pants, I was going to say, yeah.
Like a slim fit type pant would be really cute in it.
Yeah, like Sabrina Slims, or I can't remember the P for P ones.
Yeah, I can't either.
Oh, maybe that is P for P. Oh.
No, I think Sabrina Slims is Love Notions.
That's what I thought.
The almond looks good with this. The ivory, it's a good match. I do have almond. Most of the matches for this one were complementary. They weren't an exact color match, but they looked really nice. So the almond is complementary. The ivory is an exact match. Now, I felt that the marsala was a good match. It's darker, but I thought it looked good.
Yeah, it does.
The light pink matches the flowers. There's pink inside the flowers. It's not exact, but it's close. It's complementary. And then the olive looks nice. It's also not exactly the same color or tone as the greens and the olive here, but it is complementary. Looks good. So that's the Promise in mauve.
Keep trying.
And then our last fabric,
Yeah,
right there
pencil
already.
skirts work well with Techno
pencil
Scuba.
skirts. Pencil skirts are good for Techno Scuba. Our last fabric's also another Techno Scuba, and it's called Masquerade, and it's got these really bright, vibrant colors in it. It's really fun. And with the Techno Scubas, typically they're the stretch is all horizontal. There's a little bit of vertical stretch, not a whole lot. It's mostly horizontal.
I think that is so cute.
It's very bright. Let's angle this down so you can see more of the fabric. It's very lively. I shouldn't say bright. I should say lively. Lively is the name for this. What do we have here? We have a lot of coordinates for this one. Coral is a good one. Of course, black. There's a lot of black in here. So black always matches black in the fabric world, in my experience. Magenta. Orchid.
Wow.
Yeah.
There are a lot of matches.
Red. There's just so many colors.
Wow. That on my phone, when you hold up that red, oh, never mind. It was magenta. I have a delay.
Oh,
It
looked magenta?
Yeah. That's too funny.
White. White is the background color, not ivory, but white. And orange.
Oh, yeah. Got some serious orange in it.
Mm-hmm. So there, you can do a lot of fun stuff with this one and the bright colors that go with it. So that's Masquerade. That's it.
Wow.
I told you it's going to be fast today. Oh, there we go.
Get dressed.
There goes that rayon spandex. So yeah, I unfortunately don't have any inspiration pics today. So can't flip my screen around and show you stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, Samantha said that the Masquerade would be gorgeous as a tight skirt with a gold zipper up the back.
That would be super cute.
I agree with that. That would be really cute. I know, it's a very quick reveal.
You even get your messages faster than me.
I do?
Mm-hmm. After you said that, it showed up on my screen.
Yeah, I did notice when I was reading through stuff yesterday that I did get them. Amy, I'm wearing the Shore Walk by Striped Swallow Design in the Disco Fever Jade brand spandex. So, okay, so I'll make the fabrics live here as soon as I close down, and I'll post in the group that they're live, so you guys can go check them out a little bit more in depth if you'd like to. So thank you for joining us today, and I know it was quick, but it was good. All right, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next week.
Bye, everybody.